Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a cabin air filter. First, locate your glove box on the passenger side. Open it and remove all contents to clear the space. Then, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box. This action will release the stops, allowing the glove box to swing down further and reveal the filter housing. It's a straightforward first step to getting fresh air flowing. Once the glove box is down, you'll see a rectangular housing. This is where your cabin air filter resides. There are usually two small clips on either side of this cover. Unclip them gently, then pull the cover straight off. Now, you can carefully slide out the old filter. Notice its direction. This is important for installing the new one correctly. Before inserting the new filter, check for an arrow indicating airflow direction. This arrow should point downwards, towards the floor of the car. Slide the new filter into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Once it's in place, reattach the housing cover, making sure the two clips snap firmly back into position. This ensures a proper seal and effective filtration. With the new filter installed and the housing secured, it's time to put the glove box back. Simply push it upwards until the side stops re-engage. Give it a gentle push to ensure it latches properly. You've now successfully replaced your cabin air filter, improving your vehicle's air quality. For a fresh scent, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your cleaner, fresher cabin air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.